I used just 2 ingredients to achieve this. See how bouncy, see how flowing my hair looks. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're bumping into my video for the first time, you're welcome. Don't make it your last. Click on that subscribe button and turn on the post notification to be notified on every single upload. Let's get into today's video. Today, I'll be trying out this okra and clove recipe. Here I have 4 pairs of okra sliced and in a pan. I'll be adding this clove juice. I had blended cloves soaked in this jar overnight, so I added the juice into the okra and I'll bring to boil for 10 minutes. So this is 10 minutes already and my okra and clove mix is ready. So I'm going to pour this into a blender, blend and sieve. After blending, this is how it is looking. I'm going to go on to use a sieve to sieve out the juice and also going with a wick cap. You can also use a cheesecloth, but I'm using the wick cap because that's what's available to me right now. Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so, and keep watching to follow the process. After straining with a wick cap, this is what I have. If I had skipped the wick cap after using the sieve, I would have had all this on my hair after application. I'll go ahead to pour all the gel I just strained out into this applicator bottle for easy application, and I'll show you how I apply it onto my hair. So keep watching to see how I applied it onto my hair and how my hair turned out. This is what my hair is looking like right now. I'm going to go ahead to part my hair into 3 sections and I'll come back to show you the application process. So the application process is very simple. When applying, you want to apply it in your bathroom because it can get really messy. I'm going to go ahead with the applicator bottle, applying it onto my hair and sponging it in using my fist like so, from my roots to the tips of my hair. I'm going to saturate it right onto my scalp. My edges are not left out. I'm going to make sure it goes into every strand of my hair, making sure to get all the goodness of this treatment. Let's talk about the benefits of okra and clove on the hair. What are the benefits of okra and clove on our hair?
Clove has a number of nutrients which are required for hair growth, including potassium, sodium, omega-3 fatty acid, iron, manganese, vitamin K, vitamin C, iodine, and fiber. They are also full of antioxidants that helps protect the hair from oxidative damage. And okra is also rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K. And it has calcium, potassium, and lots of other nutrients that are great for hair growth, moisturizing of dry scalp, and getting rid of dandruff. So you see, this two combo right here is the bomb. I just saturate it all over my hair to get all the goodness, the richness, and the benefits. I haven't even gone in with a brush yet. Just application and finger detangling. See how my hair is looking already. My coils are already popping. I'm going to go in right now with a brush to get out all the shedded hairs, and I'll go on to wrap my hair just to get it deeply conditioned. I don't have the hair steamer, so I'm going to go ahead to use this bag right here to wrap my hair for 30 minutes so that it's deep conditions, and come back to show you how it's looking. So this is 30 minutes later. Let's see what we'll have here. Guys, see how soft my hair is looking. It's so deeply conditioned, like it's so soft. See how my hands are running through it without any restrictions. I wish you can feel the hair. I wish you can feel my hair, guys. It's so soft. Let me zoom in. My hair feels so soft. And I'm just going to go into the shower and rinse it off with warm water. Guys, see how my hair is looking. It's so conditioned, like it's so soft and shiny. It has this shine to it. Look at this before and after. See how nourished, see how bouncy, see how flowing my hair look. If you haven't tried out this recipe, you should try it out. And I went in with a leave-in conditioner and followed up with an oil to seal in the moisture. And I went ahead to put my hair in a mini twist, and I had this twist on for 2 weeks. And when I was taking down the twist, my hair still felt moisturized and soft. Guys, you should try out this mix. If you haven't tried out this okra clove recipe, let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section if you would like to try it out. And if you've tried this recipe and got the same results like I did, please comment in the comment section. Share your experience. Your experience might encourage someone to try out this recipe. Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, keep winning and living your best life.